Newmedica Teesside, it's not like a job, it's like a family.
Newmedica Teesside is a brilliant workplace. They believe in me. I just feel so happy.
We all love each other like family and I'm valued for who I am.
I would recommend Teesside. Newmedica, everybody's happy here. Everybody wants to work here.
The staff support me. They make me feel safe.
At Teesside Newmedica, we offer a full range of ophthalmology services, so any eye condition that a patient has, the kindness and the compassion for each other really stands out here.
I love patients. It lifts your spirits. They come out and they're so grateful for what you've done, and it's so uplifting to give somebody their sight back.
With the patients, when they're going into surgery, they're always a bit anxious, a bit nervous, so you always make sure they're talking to you. It's very one-to-one as well, so you have that good rapport with the patient.
Sarah's doing the pre-med. Sarah had spotted that my pulse rate was way low and said I'd have to go and see my doctor. My doctor was concerned. They fitted the pacemaker just to get it all sorted. It saved my life.
It's very important to allay patients' anxiety, especially if they are coming to theatre. For example, Muslim ladies, when they come in, if we play chronic verses in theatre, it calms them. It's also very important that we look at the patient's positioning. I have performed over 100 cases standing up if patient cannot lie flat.
Mr. Mansour did a marvellous job along with all his staff. When we arrived, they noticed that the wife, Brenda, was in the wheelchair, and he said to us, if I could get the wheelchair adapted with a headrest that went back about 45 degrees, he was willing to do the operation on Brenda's eye. And I have nothing but praise for them all.
When patients are anxious going through to theatre, we always offer a hand holder, and that's just someone to sit with them. In theatre, it's a hand to hold. I think it brings a lot of reassurance.
I came to get the stitches out, Mr. Mansour. So I got off the couch, stood up, I looked at this wonderful man. I said, can I please give you a hug? And he did. From reception to there, everything's pure gold.
Since 2020, we are the first of very few independent sector providers who got the registration through GMC to teach and train ophthalmic trainees. Since then, we have trained over 10 ophthalmic trainees.
I've worked as healthcare for about 8 years, other places, never really had a chance to progress. Been here 2 years, I've never worked in theatres before, so Newmedica offered an ODP apprenticeship. It's quite shocking sometimes how much they are supportive and how much they do want you to progress.
If I was to describe Newmedica Teesside in 3 words, it would be
family,
Courageous,
Professional,
Centre for Excellence.
dynamic,
Loving,
Safe.
Caring, life-changing.
support has given me confidence.
I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for this amazing Teesside Newmedica.